Hello kids, welcome to Compy Little Learners. Today we are going to learn something super exciting. Artificial intelligence, also called AI. But what is AI? Let's find out together. AI means giving computers the ability to think and learn like humans. For example, when you ask your phone a question or watch a video recommendation on YouTube, that is AI working. AI can recognize faces, understand voices, answer questions, play games, and even drive cars. Isn't that amazing? Let's look at some examples of AI we use every day. When Alexa or Siri talks to you, that is AI. When Google Maps show the fastest route, that is AI. When Netflix or YouTube suggest videos you may like, that is also AI. But kids, AI is not magic. Computers learn from data and instructions given by humans. Humans create AI systems and AI helps humans do work faster and smarter. AI is used in hospitals, schools, banks, shopping apps, and even space research. Now let's remember some important points. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. AI helps machine think and learn. AI makes our work easier and faster. Great job, kids! Today we learned about Introduction to AI. See you in the next fun computer class. Bye bye.